gets into revenue or?
Right. When you send out the not necessary invoice, you can send out as a receipt.
Okay.
If you treat it as a deposit, you don't necessarily send out the invoice, because when you generate the invoice, usually the accounting system will treat it as a sales. Understand? So instead of sending out the invoice, you just send out as a receipt. Say $4,000 receipt as a sales security deposit.
Then when you receive that money and you give out the receipt, but before that receipt, you need to give them a bill or something.
Yes. I don't know. Some of you, well, I don't know. Anyone you work for the business, some business they send out as a pre-order. This is not a final invoice. You just create one paperwork. It's not final invoice. It's just like bill or receipt or pre-order whatsoever. It's a receipt. To certify you do receive $4,000, but you don't trade this $4,000 as sales. But small company, you don't care. But according to our book, you create one prepaid sales deposit, then this is your liability.
So by the end of the month, if this bill is not finished yet,
Not finished yet.
then your income statement doesn't have any.
No. So his input is very important. Okay. By the end of the month, if the 30 days not due yet, you have not delivered your sales, then still it becomes liability. Guess what? Your company doesn't like it, because for your financial report, you want to report as much sales as possible. You understood? However, according to accrue method, you cannot. So if some company, this really is a liability, not sales, you just report as a sales in order to be look good at Wall Street, your company got trouble. That's violation. That's fraudulent, this violation. But I bet a lot of companies, they do like this. They just report as sales. But according to GAAP, you cannot. You must report it as liability. It's not really the sales.
But actually, so some company, actually some public company, they try to make a quarter report better, so by the end of quarter they push the sales to
Yes.
sign the sales agreement, right?
Yes.
When they sign the sales agreement,
I know that.
they put it this like a
Yes,
term.
yes, I know that. I'm not surprised. It's not surprised, but I just tell you, according to at least GAAP, strictly, okay, if very strictly, you must report this as liability. But let's finish the verse very quick. Assuming you deliver, you receive 7,000. It's more complicated than this, okay? I want to reserve my answer because it involves the inventory. It's not that easy because when you report sales, you need to report your inventory. Okay, I will not get involved in inventory right now. I'll just give you a very, very quick, simple answer. When you deliver, you receive another 3,000, so cash will increase to 3,000, right? And you move this 4,000 along with the 3,000 to the revenue. Then by that time, you have total revenue 7,000. But don't forget, you have expenses part. This inventory, we will not get in touch with that until we probably next session. Please write it down our class schedule. Okay, I changed the first class of August a little bit, so don't follow out. This is the correct one, okay? On your syllabus, I put on 11 and 18, but I moved out 1 week earlier. And we have a new student, so please leave your name. You only need to leave your name and your information only one time to me. However, you need to sign off every class outside the door. But for me, you only need to sign up one time, will be fine. This is for my record. Oh, by the way,